Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Blackbox AI. All right, so let's begin with the video. Blackbox AI is a smart tool designed to help programmers write, understand, and improve code faster. It works like an AI coding assistant that can generate, optimize, and explain code. You can simply write instructions in natural language, and Blackbox AI will translate them into working code snippets in different programming languages. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Blackbox AI. After that, open the official website. Once the home page loads, click on Get Started or the Home button. Both options will take you to the sign up page. Here, again, click on Get Started for Free button, and now you need to create a free account. Enter your email address, create a password, and then click on Create Account. After that, you might be asked to verify your email address. For me right now, it is giving me this internal server error, but in your case, it will take you to the home page. Another way to use Blackbox AI is by installing the Blackbox AI extension. You can search for the Blackbox AI extension in your browser or in your code editor, such as VS Code. Once you find it, install the extension and activate it in your editor. After the extension is installed and active, you can simply type natural language prompts describing the code you want. For example, you can type something like create a function to calculate the Fibonacci sequence, and the AI will automatically generate the corresponding code snippet. You can also paste your existing code into Blackbox AI and ask it to optimize, debug, or explain the code. This is very helpful when you are trying to understand complex functions or fix errors in your program. Blackbox AI can also help you refactor functions, generate unit tests, and explain complicated code blocks in simpler terms. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Blackbox AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.